We will build accessible tabs using pure cascading style sheets and semantic markup. First, we will create the HTML structure with inputs, labels, and panels. Add the document type and head area for a standard HTML page. Link the external style sheet. Now we will type the tab's component markup using radio inputs and labels. Next, add the 3 content panels that will be shown for each tab. This is the content panel for the second tab. And finally, the last panel for the third tab. Now we will create the CSS file with layout and state styles. Define root variables for background and accent colors. Style the body using the dock background and breathable font stack. Create the tabs container with rounded corners and subtle shadow. Hide the radio inputs visually while keeping them available to assistive technology. Labels act as the visible tab controls and respond to checked state. Style the active tab using the input checked state and adjacent label selector. Hide panels by default, then reveal the panel that matches the checked input. Show the corresponding panel when the related input is checked. Add clear focus styles so keyboard users can see where focus is. Add a simple responsive rule to stack tabs on small screens. Check the working files listing in the project directory. Open a local site at the configured address to preview the tabs component. Navigate through the tabs using Tab key or click the labels to switch panels. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our websites. Also, if you need videos and content packages like this created for your own channel, follow the first link in the description.